सुशांत के गुजरने से पहले एक हफ्ते तक रिया को एक भी फोन कॉल नहीं आया था। After Riya left Sushant's home on June 8th, the late actor, who she has referred to as her boyfriend, didn't try to speak to her even once, even on the day of his demise.
Amidst growing drama surrounding Sushant Singh Rajput's case, and now with the CBI taking over the investigation, many new startling details are emerging which was somehow in the dark so far. With hidden camera interviews and stings with Sushant's former staff members, and with sensational revelations of Sushant's finances and call records, everything seems to be emerging in the public domain together.
Reportedly, Sushant's alleged girlfriend Riya Chakraborty has blocked his phone number on June 8th. The call records also suggest that there was no conversation between Sushant and Riya from June 8th and 14th, the day Sushant hanged himself in his residence. Interestingly, it was the time when Sushant was under extreme pressure post the demise of his former manager Disha Salian. Times Now, which has been broadcasting a series of shocking stories related to Sushant's demise, have now revealed that they have access to the late actor's phone records. In phone records के मुताबिक, Sushant seems to have cut off all communication with Riya in the week leading up to his demise. Not a single call or message was exchanged between them, though Riya, in a post 1 month after his demise, referred to herself as his girlfriend. सोचने वाली बात यह है कि 8 जून की रात को सुशांत की एक्स मैनेजर दिशा सालियन का देहांत हुआ था, जब वो अपनी अपार्टमेंट बिल्डिंग के 14th फ्लोर से गिरी। 8 तारीख के बाद सुशांत और रिया के बीच भी बातचीत बंद हो गई। Sushant's father, Mr. K.K. Singh, recently filed an FIR in Patna and completely changed the direction of the case by naming Riya as the main accused and alleging that she misused Sushant's bank accounts, distanced him from his family, and made him take incorrect medication that affected his health irreversibly. We now know that Sushant's family had concerns about Riya and her family and the influence they were having on Sushant from February this year. Times Now had shared screenshots of the chat conversations between Sushant's family members and Sushant's brother-in-law, Mr. O.P. Singh's message to the Bandra East DCP, Mr. Dahiya, where he asks him to look into their concerns informally. Mr. O.P. Singh had also messaged Sushant warning him that he was in wrong company and also informed him that the DCP is aware of all the facts. After Riya left Sushant's home on June 8th, his sister had stayed with him for a few days to counsel him. लेकिन शायद किस्मत को कुछ और ही मंजूर था. It is uncertain now why Sushant and Riya stopped all communication just days before the actor's demise. Whether it was because of a regular quarrel between the couple or a breakup, or was it a more serious reason that will come to light during the investigations, only time will tell. But it is unfortunate to see just how lonely the actor must have been in the days and hours leading to his demise.